Hi, boys and girls. Happy Monday. So, the last 2 weeks we were working on diphthongs. And remember, diphthongs are good. They're the rock stars of our vowels. They make a different and unique sound. We are going to move on to a new phonics rule for the next 2 weeks. We're going to be learning about long vowel graphemes. Can you say long vowel graphemes? Ooh, good job, friends. Now, you're going to be like, Miss Laspiza, what is a long vowel grapheme? Well, a long vowel grapheme is a combination of letters that represent or make a sound. We're going to be learning about 4 this week and a couple next week. So, here's where you listen, friends, and then you repeat after Miss Laspiza. The first pattern we're going to be learning about is E-I-G-H. Now, this pattern says the sound A. It's found in the beginning, middle, or end of the word, as in neighbor. Okay, this is where you friends say it. Here we go. Name of the pattern is E-I-G-H. Good, friends. Sound A. Found. Beginning, middle, or end of the word, as in good, neighbor. Now we say neighbor, but the way it's spelled is neighbor. Okay, friends, next one. The name of this pattern is I-G-H. Good. And the sound is going to be I. Here's where you listen, friends. It's found in the end of the word, usually followed by the letter T, as in light. Okay, friends, so name of this pattern is good, I-G-H. Sound, I. Very good job, friends. Found, end of the word, usually followed by the letter T, as in, good, light. In the couple next sections, friends, later on in this video, we'll talk about finger spelling because it's very important to know how to finger spell long vowel graphemes. The next 2 long vowel graphemes that you will be working on this week is IND and ILD. Here we go. Let's start with IND. Listening ears on. IND is the pattern, and it says IND. It's found at the end of the word, as in mind. Okay, here's where you say it, friends. Ready? Here you go. Name of the pattern is? Good job. Sound. Good, IND. It's a little tricky, this one, but I know you'll get it. Found. End of the word, as in, good, mind. Last long vowel grapheme that you will be working on this week is called ILD, and it's called ILD. Sound, ILD, found. End of the word, as in, wild. Good job, friends. You say it now. Ready? Here we go. Name of the pattern. Good. ILD. Sound. Very good. Found. End of the word, as in, good, wild. So here I have just a little word list of our long vowel graphemes and words that have the long vowel grapheme in it. Let's go to E-I-G-H. Now remember, E-I-G-H says A. It's very important, boys and girls, that when we're finger spelling, okay, that long vowel graphemes go on one finger. I'm going to say that again. Long vowel graphemes are going to be finger spelled on one finger, boys and girls. So for example, if I were to spell the word tight, I'm not going to go T-I-G-H-T. Remember, it's one pattern, so one finger. So the way it should look is T-I-T. Let's practice a couple. Here we go. Some of you friends are 8, or you're turning 8, friends. So let's finger spell the word 8. You catch it. And then here we go. Look at Miss Laspiza and listen. 8. Okay, friends, remember, one finger. We did tight. Let's do the word night, like nighttime. N-I-T. Again, one finger. N-I-T. I love that, friends. They're being kind. Let's do kind. Here we go. I. Oh, again, ready? Kind. One finger. Let's do another one of these here. Blind, ready? Blind. Again, these are one finger. One more for good luck. Let's do the word find. Ready? Find. Okay, friends, last one. Let's do one of our words from this ILD list. Let's do mild, meaning not spicy. Here we go. Mild. Again, friendly reminder, these are all on one finger. So boys and girls, this week you will be learning about long vowel graphemes. Have fun. Bye, friends.